What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today I want to be reworking this Lincoln. I did this a while ago before I started filming my wheel swaps, and it looks really good. I like how it looks, but I feel like these rims will look better elsewhere. So I feel like these rims look really good on this Cadillac. And if you know where that tag's from, you already know where I got this from. So yeah, I'm just gonna swap these over because I think they'll look a lot better on the Cadillac. And the rims that I want to put on the Lincoln, I'm thinking maybe these. I think they would look really good on this, but I also think they would really look good on the Cadillac Escalade that I did a while ago. But we'll see. Now, when I originally did these wheels, I would just held on by pressure. And that was my favorite way to do wheel swaps. Ooh, what do you guys think? Yeah, I think it looks really good. Now let's see how they would look, how those spokes would look on this Cadillac. It just pops off. That's the only little tab that's holding the interior in. And here's the 1959 Cadillac Series 62. I just love the way those rims pop on this M2. It looks really good. And here's a shot of it with the doors open and the hood open so you can see that motor. And look how that one came out. I really like how it came out. And again, this is the 1979 Lincoln Continental Lowrider from Auto World. That's going to do it for today, guys. And as always, happy hunting.